So you have people asking you, what is it like to live in a developing country? What is it like to live in Ecuador? And it's really hard for somebody to tell you it's a great place, or it's really hard for somebody to tell you that make sure you come. It's a great place. It's very inexpensive here. There's so many things to do. It's this paradise. It will enable you to live longer. And all of that might not even be true. And why? It's because every single human being has this different type of perception, this different idea of what is good and what is bad and what is beautiful and what makes them happy and all those things. So when I watch all these people talking about Ecuador and, it's chaos here. It is hard to understand how things work. A road needs to be fixed. It doesn't get fixed. A bridge needs some shoring up. It doesn't get shored up. There's always these things that are just like making you question yourself. Why would I move here? Why would I move to this chaos? Why isn't it so much easier for things to get done? And why is everything so complicated? And why are people so strange? Or it's hard to fit into any new place. You will be the outsider. You will be that person that they come to get your money. You will be that person they ask for help and they don't even care about you. There's always this level of you feeling used or out of place or not stimulated enough. So you have to be very cautious when you're looking at all these videos of people telling you, this place is paradise. Vilcabamba had that for the longest time. Greatest place on earth, longevity coming through your veins and yada yada yada. It's not necessarily the way it is. Even if you come for 1 week, the place can be presented to you as paradise. But again, you have to take everything with a grain of salt. The best way to learn if a place is suitable for you is on the ground. Don't kid yourself. You will learn the ropes very quickly. You will have people cursing you. You will have people spitting on you, whatever it may be. If you're an outsider, you have to be very cautious. Ecuador has so many beautiful people. Associate yourself with people that have proven themselves to be great, to be trustworthy, to be enjoyable to be around. There is that in any place. You can find great people. If somebody does you something evil or wrong, get rid of them. Don't deal with them ever again. You have to have a policy where you're basically very strict on the people you deal with. You have to be very strict with how you spend your time. You have to be very occupied. You have to be constantly trying to keep your mental health in order in a place that you don't know, in people you don't know. And guess what? You will have so much spare time. If you're not busy, if you're not doing something, you will start talking to your brain. Oh, and complaining to yourself and complaining to your relatives that are back home. And if you get into that trap, a developing country might not be the right place for you. You have to be Spider-Man here. You have to feel things out. You have to organize yourself. You have to be excited about getting up in the morning. You have to be doing things, teaching English. You have to be part of something. You have to be part of a project, creating stuff. And if you can do that, this is a great place. Why? It's because you can afford to do all those things. You can afford to grow your own food. You can afford to hook up a system where you can get spring water from the mountains. You can do all those things. There is that flexibility here. The problem is, are you that type of person? How flexible are you? How tolerant are you? How intolerant are you? How ignorant are you towards other people? How accommodating are you? All those things make you, as your own self, either a victim here or a great part of society or a person that is constantly doing things, getting things done, showing results, creating results, being happy. It's up to you. Nobody can help you. The place itself can't even help you. So just remember, you're putting yourself into a position of not knowing, a position of unfamiliarity, a position where you are an outsider regardless. And if you pick your own friends that speak your language, that gets very stale very quickly, especially if you're in a different country. You have to immerse yourself in projects. You have to immerse yourself in the activities that take place in this place, and you have to be this person that is tolerant beyond anything you've ever experienced before. You have to say to yourself, okay, different place, different rules, different mentality, different education levels, different stimulation levels, different people that have never been to Paris. They've never left their valley. They have complete different values than you have. And you have to appreciate that. You have to get the most out of it. You have to talk to them. You have to learn their language, try to learn their habits, understand what it means to be tolerant to to the crazy things these people do. And you'll do just fine in a developing country that is completely foreign to you. Yeah, when you move to a developing country, there's something that happens that you have to really understand, and that is having extra time or spare time, whatever you want to call it. You are going to experience a pace that is slowing down if that's what you want. You're going to experience this idea in your brain that you're not occupied enough, that you're not doing enough, that especially if you come from a profession or a job or whatever you want to call it, where you are super busy, super occupied, always doing something, always being busy, always trying to organize things. And if you come to a place like this where you're going to be an outsider, I don't care what anyone tells me, you're going to start out being an outsider, especially if you don't speak the language. There's a complete misunderstanding of what it means coming to a developing country. If you come here with the intentions of living cheaper, if you come here with the intentions of enjoying yourself, having more spare time, there's a fine line between boredom, not being involved in the community. There's this fine line of you struggling, not being at home or not being next to your loved ones or whatever it may be. There's going to be this friction with yourself that you're not 100% occupied with your own life. You are missing something. You are bored. You are online much more. You are doing things that you've never done before that um, aren't stimulating the way they used to be in your home country. So I think one of the big reasons why a lot of people do go back home is boredom, not being involved in something spectacular, not having pet projects, not having people that you can teach stuff to. All those things are um, a, a level of involvement that you're going to be missing. And I think keeping yourself busy, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, helping others, teaching others, keeping your mind occupied, always have real interesting hobbies, real interesting projects that involve you, things that keep you mentally sharp. And I think what happens is a lot of it has to do with human connection. You need a lot of people need people around them. They need people to involve them in projects. They need activities that stimulate their mind. You can show off your abilities. You can show off um, your creativity. You can do all these things, even in a developing country. Um, we had guys working here with us that have learned so many things from the building process, from my knowledge, from new materials. So this idea of uh, adding value to yourself. So this is yourself, and all the people that are around you are gaining from you. And that process of involving other people keeps you as a human being very healthy.